Hello everyone. Next we will make a beautiful hairstyle. First divide your hairs in two equal parts. Now roll the hairs as we are rolling. Now roll another part of the hairs in the same way. After rolling it, fold the hairs upward as we have done in this video and tie it using a rubber band. Do same with the another part of the hairs as well. This hairstyle is well to go with medium to long hairs. After folding the hairs, we will fix them with each other. Watch the video carefully. It needs little bit of patience, I know, but trust me, it's gonna look very beautiful. And then after we are completed with foldings and rollings, we will fix the hairs into each other and then fix the leftover hairs using the hairpin and settle it. Now using the cute beautiful hair bun pins, put it on the upside and your hairs will look gorgeous. It's not difficult as it's looking here because it's little bit of time consuming, but trust me, it's gonna look beautiful. Next we're gonna make a very beautiful hairstyle. First take few parts of the hairs from the top and tie it using a rubber band. After that rotate the hairs as we are doing. After that we will take another part of the hairs from the top and then again tie it using the rubber band and again rotate it. Then we will take third part of the hairs and again tie it and rotate it as we are doing in this video. After that we will tie all the hairs together. This hairstyle is best suited from medium to long hairs and trust me, it's not much time consuming and will look very beautiful. After tying the hairs, now tie little bit of the part from the downside and then we will rotate it upwards. Fold the hairs upwards and fix it using a bun pin and your beautiful bun is ready. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Next we will make a beautiful bun, tie the ponytail and put the hairpin on the top. Now again rotate the hairs and tie it from the downside. Now fold the hairs inside and put the clutch and your beautiful bun is ready to go. Isn't it so easy and beautiful? Next we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. Using the fingers, rotate your hairs as we are doing. Now fix it using a pin and it's ready. Thanks for watching.